Yeah, my name is Emma Davis and I'm from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I'm working at the multilingual school in Cusco right now. It is a bilingual institution where we are teaching kids English from preschool to second grade. And their whole thing is that children are like sponges, so the younger you can teach them, it's more like learning their own first language, but then it's easier, you don't have to translate everything. Currently I am doing a lot of research on their curriculum and things like that, so I am taking the practice tests that they have access to and comparing them to the curriculum, making sure the kids are learning enough vocab and retention skills to pass the exams and continue to level up in English. And then I also teach a class with another teacher for an hour during the day that I'm actually interacting with the students and watching them work through the material. I think the routine of coming to this awesome school every day is going to be hard to leave, and just being in Peru and with the people. I would say definitely do it. This has been pushing myself out of my comfort zone, definitely, but it's something that I've learned a lot from and grown through, so I definitely would recommend.